Right now, your KNOE 8 News hour-by-hour forecast.
Good evening and welcome back. Your time is 5:46 and you're taking a live look at the Creeding Cray Tower cam over Monroe on this Sunday evening. A few clouds out there, overall a pretty hazy sky, and we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in place for a large portion of the region. The entire area that you're seeing in pink here is in that severe thunderstorm watch. Now I want to emphasize that a watch means that all the ingredients are in place for us to see the potential of some strong to severe thunderstorms. Does that mean everyone who's in this watch is going to see a severe thunderstorm tonight? No, it does not, because we have a lot of factors going into place here. Now, all of us do need to be weather aware as we head throughout the evening, because we have this line of showers and thunderstorms that's working its way through Arkansas as we speak. It's just kind of cleared out of the Little Rock area, pushing more towards Pine Bluff at the moment. This entire line here is severe thunderstorm warned, producing winds up to 60 miles per hour and some large hail up to a quarter in size mixed in along this line. This line will be pushing towards our region here as we head into the next couple of hours, but timing is going to play a key factor at how much severe weather we see this evening. The sun will be setting here soon, and that means our energy source for the day, or the fuel source for the warm air that'll be fueling most of these storms, is going to be leaving. Our temperatures are going to be cooling off as we head into the overnight. So that kind of splits our region. Our two Arkansas counties are looking at a slight risk. We're level 2 out of 5 on our severity scale. That's because it's going to be reaching there first when they still have a little bit of steam, but then they're going to be losing steam as they move through the rest of the region, approaching I-20, and that's why most of us are at that marginal risk. We're level 1 out of 5 on our severity scale. But any storms we do see enter into the region have the potential to produce some strong winds and some large hail. Winds, though, going to be the main issue that we're going to be worrying about with any of these storms overnight, gusting up to 70 miles per hour at times. So let's walk through our timeline with these systems. As we head towards about 7 a.m. this model or 7 p.m. excuse me, this line is going to be pushing into our northernmost counties here up in Arkansas. This model particular wants to keep it on the eastern side of the region. It's a possibility that we see this stretch over towards El Dorado and more into Union Parish towards Farmerville as well, though, as we head into the overnight. If we continue on here till about 9 p.m., the system's going to be pushing through, and then towards about midnight, that's when we're going to be seeing the system clear out. Now, we do have that lunar eclipse tonight, and it's going to be pretty cloudy for most of us. Around 11 p.m. is where we're expecting to see that total eclipse. We should see some breaks in the cloud cover, though, that'll give way to that. So we should see a glimpse as we head throughout the night. Now, tomorrow morning, some showers are going to be working their way across the region. So if you're an early riser to start off your week, you could see a stray shower here or there, but that'll be clearing out as we head throughout the rest of the night, with cloud cover being the main story, with winds out of the north, keeping us in the upper 80s for our highs tomorrow. Now, we're not talking about a lot of rain here overnight. Most of us going to see less than a quarter of an inch. Those in Arkansas are going to see the most rain this evening. And that's mainly going to be these storms that are going to move through before midnight. Temperatures into the 70s. Rain hanging out tomorrow morning, but we're only reaching into the upper 80s. And then the rest of the week going to be sunny and hot. Plenty of summertime weather for us here in the ArkLaMiss before rain arrives this weekend.